Hello, so today I'm going to Frankfurt in Germany for a week. I live in Rennes, so first I have to take a train from Rennes to Paris, Gare de Montparnasse. Then I need to take the metro to go from Gare de Montparnasse to Gare de l'Est to take my second train. And now my second train is going from Paris Gare de l'Est to Frankfurt main station. Alright, I'm in Frankfurt. It's big buildings and so on, but I think it's the first time in my life where I've seen people smoking crack in the streets, like a dozen people in like a big, like really big streets. So yeah. Okay, so we'll do a tour of the room later. For now, it's nearly 8 p.m, so I'm just going to go out, buy some food for tonight and for tomorrow because it's Sunday, so a lot of things will be closed. Right. Time for the room tour. It's nearly 9. So entrance, shoes. I've already put my mess a bit everywhere. What's in there? Okay, cool. Ooh, dear God. Okay. Wow, fancy. Okay. Okay. Oops. A fridge. The most important piece of this room. Yeah, who cares? Yeah, important too. And there, the room, beautiful. A nice bed. Oh, there's a mirror there. That is me. Those are my bags. And yeah. So bed, you know what a bed is. Table, you know what the table is. TV, I will not watch this. And yeah, bathroom, very nice and cozy. And we have shower gel, we have shampoo with conditioner, we have the liquid soap for the hands. I've tried this one already, it smells really good. That's always like a big plus when there are these sort of things and you don't need to take your towels and your shower gels and whatnot, and they're actually good. So yeah. Yes, so really happy with this place. Let's see the view. Okay. Okay. But I mean, look at those freaking towers. And some photos too there. I don't know who took them. Oh, that's the city center. Okay, very nice. Time for dinner because I am starving. Salami stick. Smoked cheese, I believe. Spätzle with meat. And white peach Schweppes.